Hi, today I'm going to answer the question we often get asked at RomanCart, which is about trade sales. Customers will have a single stock of one of their products, however they want to offer different trade and buying options to trade customers than they do for their retail customers. And we're going to show you how to do that very easily in RomanCart today. First of all, let's add a new product. For the sake of argument, this is going to be a toaster. Priced at $9.99. We'll give it a stock of 1,000 because we're sharing this stock. And at the moment I'm going to put in tax band A, but I'll explain that later. It's not necessary, it's just an option you might want to look at. And as this is our retail item, we're not going to have any quantity discounts or anything like that. Okay, all very good, very basic item added there, just the same as normal. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add our trade item. Now you can do this in a different category, but just for now we're going to do this in the same category just so we can show you them alongside each other. So I'm calling this trade toaster, trade price of $7.99 to our trade customers. Now, as we're linking the stocks, we're going to ignore the stock for this trade toaster. And for now, I'm going to put it in tax band B. As I said about the tax bands, I will explain this later on. Now, for trade customers, we might want to use some quantity pricing. So let's say a threshold of 5 gets this toaster down to £7. Threshold of 10 or more gets this toaster down to $5.95 or something like that. All absolutely fine. Now here's where we link the stocks. It's very easy. If you see the options here, you'll notice one of these is a stock source. Now all I have to do here is enter the item code of the source of this item's stock. So this will just be our regular toaster with the item code of toaster. And save. Now that is literally all we have to do. As you can see, the stock here is simplified with an L in brackets to say it's linked to the one above. And we generate separate code for each of these. One of these we'll use the toaster on our retail site, and then the trade toaster code on our trade customers site. Now, as you noticed earlier, I did in fact create some tax bands for these. So if I show you what I mean when I've done this, let's go to Configure and Tax, and let's click on the Advanced Tax options. Now if I scroll down to the United Kingdom, as you can see, I've got 20% tax in tax band A and 0% in tax band B. That means as I entered the letters there, the items, the trade customers will get charged 0% tax and the retail customers will get charged 20%. And that's literally all there is to it. We have two items in the product manager. However, this is one lot of stock, meaning we're never going to mess up with stocks that have to, tidy everything up at the end of the day and hopefully have some overlaps or anything like that. And that's the simple way to do it. Thank you very much.